In this video, you'll learn how to change your Google account country. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. To change your Google account country, you can just go to google.com, so you can do this on either your PC, tablet, or just on your phone like I'm doing right now. So go to the top right and click on your profile picture once you're in google.com. Then right here you have to scroll down to the bottom and click on More Settings in the bottom left. Then once you're in here, you have to scroll down again and click to the bottom left on Google Account Settings. Then once you're in here, you have to go to the Personal Info tab in the top. Click on it. Then once you're in here, you have to scroll down a bit until you're here at Addresses. Right here, you'll see that my home country right now is set at Netherlands, so let's change it. And right here, you can just put in every country you want. So let's just do United Kingdom. Click on it and click on Save. And right now you've changed the country of your Google account. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.